Hey guys, just wanted to give you all an update on my generator and generator shed. I have sold the Duramax 12,000. It's not that it was not a good generator. It performed well. Something at night just kept tugging away at me and just kept saying something. I kept hearing voices. Get a Honda. Get a Honda. Get a Honda. You're not going to be satisfied until you get a Honda. And as luck would have it, an ES6500 became available. Bought it, changed the spark plugs, changed the air filter, changed the timing belt, changed the water pump, changed everything that I could possibly change, put synthetic 1540 oil in it, and she purrs like a kitty cat. So just wanted to show you the Honda ES6500, let you listen to it, and I've got my decibel meter. We'll go out there and do a test, and you can see there's a marked difference between the Duramax 12,000 and the water-cooled Honda ES6500. So I'll take you outside right quick and show you the setup. So here's the setup, and I apologize for the dim lighting. It's getting close to dark here. I just wanted to get this video out to you guys. Here's the ES6500. Pretty much new everything. Let's see if I can shine some light on it. She is clean, clean, clean. New filters, new everything. Let's get her cranked up. Here we go. Choke. Gas is on the other side. And sorry for not having the original video clip, but you can definitely see where the Duramax was putting out about 83 or 84 decibels. Alright, she's running full tilt, and it's noticeably more quiet than the Duramax. Noticeably more quiet. I think the Duramax was about 82, 83 decibels. I had to refer back to the other video, but this is where we are. Super quiet. Thanks for watching. Be safe.